In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve issues with TradingView's performance, particularly when it starts lagging. TradingView is an essential tool for many traders, offering a host of features that are pivotal to making informed trading decisions. However, like any other web-based platform, it can sometimes experience performance hiccups. So, let's walk through a few simple strategies to help you smooth out those bumps and get your TradingView back up to speed. First, the easiest and quickest fix you can try is refreshing your page. Often, what seems like a significant problem might just be a temporary glitch. By refreshing, you're basically giving the web page a chance to restart, clearing out any minor bugs that might have crept in. To do this, simply press F5 on your keyboard. This key is a shortcut for refreshing the page on most browsers, and it acts as a basic reset for the session you're currently in. If, after refreshing, you notice that TradingView is still lagging, don't worry. We've got a few more tricks up our sleeve. Next, what you want to do is locate the settings option in your browser. You can find this by clicking on the three dots, often referred to as the menu button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of your browser window. Once you've clicked it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Look for Settings in this menu and click on it. When you're in the Settings menu, look for an option related to graphics acceleration. It might be labeled as Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Enabling this setting allows your browser to offload some tasks from the CPU to the GPU, potentially providing a smoother and faster browsing experience. To enable it, simply toggle it on and then make sure to refresh your TradingView page once more. This can help modern browsers perform more efficiently by better utilizing your computer's resources. Still experiencing lag? Don't fret. Sometimes the issue might be with the browser itself. Different browsers handle websites in unique ways, and occasionally one might run more efficiently than another. So, the next step is to attempt accessing TradingView using a different browser. If you're using Chrome, try Firefox or Edge, and vice versa. It could be that a different browser might be better optimized for handling the website's demands. These steps should help alleviate most of the common lagging issues you might face with TradingView. By refreshing the page, tweaking a few settings, and perhaps even switching browsers, you've got a well-rounded approach to ensure that you can continue using TradingView smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and happy trading!